Hi traders, it's Simon here. Firstly, excuse my voice, a little bit head cold, so we'll be a little bit groggy today. Anyway, so I'm looking at taking two trades. One is gold long and the second is euro dollar long. So let's take a look what we've got here. On the daily chart of euro dollar, we did speak about, we was hoping for a pullback to the 1.13 area in our weekly review, which has now happened. And a nice bullish engulfing candle to the upside, which I like. With this huge bullish MACD divergence and bullish RSI divergence as well. Nice at a key level. I do like this overall. So it's a beautiful daily setup. And let's have a look on the lower time frame what we're looking for. So we was primarily looking to start with maybe taking a real aggressive trade off of the 1.13 area. We never got that. We actually got a bearish engulfing candle to break down the key level. Lots of chop afterwards and a huge bullish engulfing candle afterwards. And also notice the volume there is huge volume. So it's a valid move up to the upside. Then volume tailed off, the candle got smaller, and now as the candle gets smaller, the volume's getting lower. So this is a lovely, beautiful way to trade. There's the inverse head and shoulder pattern. So primarily what I'm looking for now in the 1 hour chart is something like this, some pullback like this. So for me personally, I'm placing an order at this level here at 13.26. Just because it's at the 0.5 Fibonacci. I'm just hoping that it just over exits itself on the way back down again and tags me in. If it doesn't, I'll be then taking some form of live trade afterwards. With this kind of entry there, I can adjust my stop to 40 pips, but ideally you need your stop below S1 and below this 764 Fibonacci pullback, just to actually guarantee that you're going to have the safest stop as possible. Target wise, I've got 15,300. The reason for that is we come down to the daily chart. If I just move this out a little bit and just plot in 15,300 for you guys, you'll see straight away it's there, resistance there, also support and there's resistance there. So that's the reason why. I know I've got a key level at 15.7, but to be quite honest, you want to get out before that. The daily 50 does give me a little bit of concern as well, but like I said, I do feel this trade will break through the daily 50. Looking at the DXY, you get this upward sloping trend line. So once it breaks out of there, the daily 50 isn't going to be too much of a problem. I don't think it's more of the upward sloping trend line. And the US dollar index is exactly the same as well. So once we break down this level here, you'll be heading down quite a lot further. So that's me personally thinking there. The next trade I was looking at is gold long as well. So for me, I've already entered in this trade long. I entered live in the market. Personally myself, I just wanted to see a little pullback to value and move up higher. This trade here was could have been a good trade there. I didn't take it, just didn't want to break into the triangle the other side again, but it's still worthwhile. Here though, I think it's a higher high, a higher low. So we've come up there, come down. Daily 50 gives support, and I've just taken it live from there. When I come down to the lower time frame on gold, I've actually, like I said, just take it live already. This is my entry, so this is it here. My stop is below the daily lows here as well, so it's a big stop of $29, $30 stop there at the moment. My target is 13.50, just right up there for 4.5% trade. And again, your reason why that is, we zoom out of this whole entire area, and you see 13.50 has been the resistance level for quite some time. I may be able to scale into this trade later on, so break and retest this box here would also be a nice little trade, or get another trade in as well, and safely build a position up, and then hopefully get some of it out at 13.50 and some of us to move on afterwards. Aussie Kiwi, just go over Aussie Kiwi quickly. We've been chopping around for ages with Aussie Kiwi. It's been quite literally a pain in the backside. Still believe in the trade obviously, and this evening we just had a nice pop to the upside there, but it hasn't been the smoothest of trades. On the lower time frame for Aussie Kiwi, just to show you this one, didn't matter what kind of trend line you put in, it was always choppy as hell there. But as you can see, this downward sloping triangle had a break and retest, double bottom, a nice move to the upside, breaking the 450 EMA yet again. So hopefully this time we will now be able to break up above this properly. And obviously the 1 hour chart here shows you it being again another clean breakout there. So hopefully now we can break these highs here, and we should now start building into this position as well. Okay guys, any questions, give us a shout. If not, speak to you soon.